Scardy Squirrel Has a Birthday Party, written by Melanie Watt, retold by Sahana Sivakumaran. This is Scardy Squirrel. He's planning to have a birthday party. He is gonna make an invitation for everyone he's gonna invite. These are the things he doesn't want at his party. So he buys all the materials to scare away those animals. Then he's gonna set up his materials for the party. Scardy Squirrel plans what he's gonna do at the birthday party. He makes a schedule. With all his careful planning, does Scardy Squirrel party turn out how it's supposed to be? If you want to know, come and check out the book at the Hoover Library.